We can also add further details to our floor plans, such as furniture, using 2D blocks. Let's see how this is done by selecting the 2D graphic symbol, 2D block. A first click attaches the object to the mouse cursor. By accessing the catalogue, we can then choose the type of furniture and model. A second click fixes it into place. With the less than key, we can also position it very accurately at a set distance from a reference point, such as a wall, for instance. From the Properties toolbox, you can set the drawing scale factor in order to adapt it to the project dimensions, and also define a different color.